Okay. Hi guys, welcome. So in this video, we're going to see how we can create our first React project within 2 minutes. Okay. So first you need to open a folder with VS Code. Now just after opening that, now just you need to just do npm create void added latest. Okay, so it will create a void project. Now do proceed. Okay, so now here asking my project name. I want to give it mm, my chat. Okay, so yeah, so now I want to select react here, the framework, and after that I want to select here uh, javascript javascript plus javascript. Okay, so scroll down by exponential. Okay, install npm start now. Okay, so it is installing my dependencies. Okay, let's see. So it is taking a little bit longer time, but it's okay. So yeah, my react project is created. My first react project is created, guys. Okay, so that's how you can create your first react project with 3 or 4 lines. So these are the folder. Here it's node modules and public, and therefore source assets app.css app.jsx, all those folders are created. So yeah, that's how you can create your first react project. Now you need to just delete index.css. Okay, and from here you need to delete index.css, and also app.jsx. I will delete the whole code from here. Like I'm cleaning the file. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So let's clean the page. Okay, so yeah, everything is okay right now, and my app.jsx, it will return a div, right? Return a div, and it is within this I return hi, this is my first hi, this is my first react app. Okay, so now just go to here and okay, what happened, what's wrong, let's see. npm run dev. Oh my god, there is some problem. Okay, i should go I should go inside my chat, then I can use npm run dev. Let's see what's wrong, man. I think there is some problem. Okay, I got it. Hopefully in main.jsx this is okay. Okay, I returning here. So I think I need to do that. Like I need to cover this thing, the whole thing within bracket, and then this, and then this, and yeah, what I can do, man. Yeah, I think I will. Okay, now yeah, now it will work fine. Okay, now you can see I have created my first React page. So yeah, that's all about.